How to fix Hogwarts Legacy corrupt disk error. 1. Reboot your system. 2. Verify the game. Files in Steam. 3. Play the game as an administrator. 4. Repair the library folder in Steam. 5. Diagnose and repair your disk. To do so, you may use Windows Disk Management and / or some third-party tool on the web. Additionally, clear your disk regularly. 6. Reinstall, re-update the Hogwarts Legacy game. 7. Contact Hogwarts Legacy support for further assistance.